you are sign out, then click on setting and choose the save to location. I am choosing download, and again click save. Open a project. This is the project name. Add any video and then bring it to the taskbar. It can be exported because there is no pro feature. No apply the pro features. I am applying to effects which are pro. Apply another one and export. It will not work because it's pro feature. Select all components, right click, click this option. Again right click, click this option. Once it's complete, it cannot be exported. Click on the media and find the CapCut draft. Choose the same project with the name, resources, combination, and choose the file having video at the end and bring it here. Click I on your keyboard and then click O, and you have selected this region and export. Now you can export for free with Pro Effect.